back at the market. We're gonna go back in, see if we can find a hat. Hola, hola. Hola. Amiga. Amiga. Do you know where I can find hats? Hat. Esta. Borda.
¿A dónde hay? Allá por Milenio, de la esquina para arriba.
A la vida. ¿Dos blocos?
Sí, ahí hay varios rectos. A este, la esquina, recto.
Okay, izquierda. Derecha. Arriba, derecha, izquierda.
Para arriba.
Okay. Okay. Gracias. Don't see any hats over here. Sorry. No hats over here. And that is the library that the guy was talking about earlier in the video. We're gonna go check that out right now. Binaes, Biblioteca Nacional de El Salvador. Wow, huge city center, man. This is the center of San Salvador, right here. Wow. Just to get in this library is a huge line, and kind of big. All right, I'm inside the library, and this is kind of like a good opportunity to kind of just chill, cool down from being under the sun for so long. It's a little sensitive with the cameras, you know. I had to register my cameras and my drone, everything. They didn't take it. They just need to know that you have it because there are children around. I'm gonna head to the 7th floor and kind of just take a 20-minute break. We'll also look around. Thank you, boss. 7. And yeah, just take a break. This library has 7 floors. Wow. Brand new. Hold on. That was funny. Oh my gosh, that is nice. Wow. This is nice. What floor? This is the 7th floor. And I don't think we can sit here, can we? Hola, buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
¿Habla inglés un poco? No? Okay. Dang. Is this wow, look at this. Look at this. Wow. Dang, this is a view. That is wild. Dang. What is this? This is clean. Hola, buenas tardes. Is cafeteria? Cafe? Okay. Can I sit? I can sit. Okay. All right. Oh. Wow, that's comfy. Wow. Van. Oh my God, this is so nice. So nice. Oh my gosh. This is the man, Bukele. This is the man who made it all possible. This man right here. This man's face is everywhere in this country. Oh my goodness. This is like a private suite. And again, this is the 7th floor. I haven't even checked out the others, but this is already amazing. They have some art paintings here. Permiso, ¿habla inglés un poco? No? ¿Qué es eso? What is this?
El nivel es un nivel con temática de arte. Tenemos lo que es una exposición de arte.
Ajá.
Cada 3 meses se hace el cambio de pinturas, resaltando siempre pintores salvadoreños. El nivel cuenta con 2 terrazas, por el momento esta sí no está habilitada.
Ajá.
Tenemos lo que es 2 murales del pintor TNT. Ajá, sus pisales, por ahí lo puede ver. Tenemos un restaurante, se llama Basílico y su temática es italiana.
Allá.
Sí, ese es el restaurante.
Wow, okay, entiendo. Gracias. Wow. So like this floor is like, it's like a, actually people that are watching Spanish are gonna like, he don't understand. What I got was there's a cafeteria here and there's an art center like right behind here. So it's a chillax spot right here. For now, I'm just gonna take a quick 20-minute break right over here with this amazing view of the city center of San Salvador. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Look. Can't beat this, man. Can't beat this. This is incredible. Just the 7th floor. This is a library. Just chill right here. Oh. I just learned there's an outside balcony I want to check out too. Oh, it's a really tight door. Ooh, it's hot. It's like a humid hot, not like heat. Yeah, that door is really tight. Yes, this is good. This is gonna be cool, like more aerial view of exactly how high and where I'm at. So I'm on like the 6th floor now, and it looks like an entertainment center. So if you see here, we've got like these cardboard Nintendo controllers, and you have one guy playing here. You have all these games playing here. I think he's playing oh my god, I forgot what it's called. Shoot, you know, when you build those blocks in that world, there's a movie on it. I think you can rent the stuff here. Wow. And you've got the gaming chairs here, Mortal Kombat over there. This is incredible. Looks like a new hangout spot. And I saw like a FGT racing game over here. This is the one that caught my eye the most. So at this library, you have access to all these games, new systems and everything. Look at this. Right here. This is a really cool library. I don't think I can enter here, but I guess you get the idea. And if you want to play, you can just go over there and then have your fun. And then there's the balcony over here with a much better view. Let's go check outside. The terrace view. Hold on. Ah, that's so cool. Thumbnail. And that's the church right above or right ahead. Palace Nacional. And right here is the library. So this is a really big money coming into this area. New reconstruction. Man. This is dope. This is dope. I like this a lot. This is a really cool library. This is a really interesting library. 7 floors. This is just the 5th floor. I'm curious to see what the 4th floor looks like. And then over here, this is kind of like I would call it the computer lab. You have your really brand new computers. You got your giant 60-inch TVs over here. You have your study rooms right here. Wow, so much resources here, so much. So I'm just curious, let's go to the 4th floor. I don't know what the 4th floor is going to show me, but I'm just curious. Because the 7th and 6th were really amazing, so let's see what the 4th floor looks like. Okay, typical books. No, not typical at all. Oh yeah, I'm in a library too. So there's a Star Wars cafe over there. There's a Game of Thrones section right here. Lots of resources. There's a Star Wars section. And there's a comic book section here. Wow. There's a Deadpool model over here. Look at this. This is a library? Wow. Crazy. And a Deadpool. I would have never expected this in this library. Wow. Let's check out that Star Wars. People playing puzzles over here. Bro. Wow. Look at this. This is crazy. We got a whole model here. This is crazy. So much funding, so much resources. Whole Star Wars section. I even found all 7 Dragon Balls. Amazing. This is the Dragon Ball section. Oh, that's awesome. I guess the anime section. Okay, yeah. So you have Astro Boy, Pokemon, Dragon Ball, Digimon, One Punch Man. This is the anime section. Cool. And out here is that lake. I don't know what to call it. Wow, yeah, the manga. Yeah, Bleach. Yes. Bleach section. Dang. So much funding. Oh, they're gonna kill me. Gotta get the official El Salvador sign. Right there. Now it's official. Okay, let's just not get pooped on over here. So many birds. Let's get out of here. At least the sun has calmed down. It's not being cooked alive over here like I was earlier. So I think we can kind of explore without so much heat on me. I definitely got cooked. I'm like 4 shades darker now.